Hello friends, today's question. A particle of mass m is moving with the speed 2v and collides with the mass 2m moving with the speed v in the same direction. After collision, the first mass is stopped completely while the second one splits into two particles each of mass m, which move at an angle 45 degree with respect to the original direction. The speed of each moving particle will be. So we have two particles. Mass of one particle is given as m. It is moving with the velocity of 2v. It strikes another particle of mass 2m, which is moving with the speed v, and after collision, the first mass, that is m, its speed becomes equal to 0, whereas the mass of 2m splits equally into two parts, each of having mass m. And they are making an angle of 45 degree with the original direction of the motion. So we say that both the particles is having a velocity of v prime So we can divide this velocity into components. Let me draw it here. So we have, this is our v prime, making an angle of 45 degree. So in this direction, it is going to have a component of v prime m cos of 45, and there is another particle which is also having an angle of 45, and they are of equal mass, that is m, and here also m. So it will be also having a component of v prime m cos of 45, and there will be also a vertical component, or we can say in y direction. This will be our v prime m sine of 45, and another one will be also v prime m sine of 45. So here we can use the conservation of momentum. You can say conservation of momentum in x direction. We can write the equation as momentum of first particle will be mass into 2v plus 2m into v, which will be equal to, second becomes 0 because velocity is 0, and in the original direction we are going to have its component as mv prime cos of 45 plus mv prime cos of 45. So here m cancels out throughout, and this becomes 3v, 2v or 2v, this will be 4v, and we are left with v prime and v prime, so this will be 2v prime cos of 45. We can say this will be 2 square root of 2v prime. So we can write this as v prime will be equal to 4v, and this will be divided by 2 and multiplied by square root of 2, and this goes by 2. So we can say that our v prime will be equal to 2 root 2 times v. So this is the velocity of each particle. This is velocity of each particle, and from you can say that option number D is the correct option. Option D is correct. So this completes the question. Thank you.